Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about this exercise 3.4. In that, three problems we discussed. Now we'll move to the fourth problem. Now we'll move to this problem. Okay. Now the fourth question is, your x by 2 plus 2y by 3, which is equals to -1. Call this as equation 1. And next equation is x minus y divided by 3 is equal to 3. Call this as equation 2. Okay, now first you convert this to the pair of linear equation general form. What is pair of linear equation general form? So you need to convert that to the form of a1 a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x2 like that. Okay, so how to do this? It is very simple. So first you need to add these two numerators. Okay, numerators and denominators you need to add. So add numerators. So if you to add numerators, what you can do, so the denominator must be same. So you should take the LCM of this. Suppose you can take the LCM, or if you don't want to take the LCM, you can do the cross multiplication. So here I'll do the cross multiplication, or else even you can take the LCM also. LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So but I'll do the cross multiplication. So here 3 into x, 3x plus 2 into 2y, that is 4y divided by 3 2s are 6, which is equals to -1. So then cross multiply again. Now here is equal to is there. Now no need to cross multiply, no need to multiply the denominators, just you can cross multiply and leave as it is. So here 6 into minus 6, and 1 into 3x plus 5. So we'll get here 3x plus 4y, which is equals to -6. Okay, okay, call this as equation. Actually 1 and 2 we already gave, so you can give us some other name. So I'll give you 3, this equation 3. And here also nothing is there, 1 is there. Here also you should take the LCM. So wherever the plus or minus is there, there we need to take the LCM. Wherever is equal to is there, and we need to cross multiply. After if you cross multiply, then you need to multiply the denominators also. But if is equal to is there, no need to multiply the denominators, only you need to just cross multiply. This is the rule of the mathematics. Now cross multiply, here 3 and 1 is there, so you can take the LCM or you can do the cross multiplication. So what I'll do the cross multiplication. So 3 into x, here is 3x minus 1 into y, 1y divided by 3 into 1, 3, which is equals to 3. Now we can cross multiply. Nothing is there in the denominator, in the sense you have to assume that 1 is there. So now cross multiply, 3x minus y, which is equals to 3 3s are 9. So 3x minus 9 is equal to 9. Call this as equation 4. Okay, so now simplify equation 3 and 4. 3x plus 4y is equal to -6, and 3x minus y is equals to 9. Now decide whether which variable, either x or y, you need to eliminate. Which you want to eliminate. You want to eliminate x or y. So here what I'll do, I'll eliminate x. Why? Because already it is in the standard form, no need to multiply anything. Why? Because already it is there. What is that? Already here also 3x is there, here also 3x is there. So only thing, we need to change the symbols. So here plus 3x is there, change it to minus, and here minus is there, change it to plus, and here plus is there, change it to minus. So here plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Then here 4y and 1y. 4 plus 1, it is 5y. 5y, which is equals to 9 plus 6, it is minus 15. Are you getting? Okay, so then y is equals to minus 15 divided by 5. So therefore y is equals to -3. So y is equals to minus 3. So now what you will do, substitute this y value in equation 3 or equation 4. Substitute y is equals to minus 3 in equation 3. Okay, then what I'll going to get, so 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. So then 3x plus 4 into y value is minus 3, which is equals to minus 6. So 3x, what is that, plus 4 3s are 12, that is minus 12, which is equals to minus 6. So a 3x which is equals to minus 6 plus 12. So then 3x which is equals to what is that, minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. So therefore x is equals to 6 by 3. So therefore x is equals to 2. So our x value is 2 and y value is 3. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this problem. Okay, all of you copy this in your classwork. Okay, next we move to the next problem. So next problem is here, form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find the solution if they exist by elimination method. Okay, so they gave here in the statement form. They gave the problems in the statement form. We need to convert this to the mathematical form. Okay, here the second question. So form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. So here what they gave the problems in the statement form. We need to convert that statement form into mathematical form, okay, or algebraic form. So how to do this? So here they gave that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1 and it becomes 1 by 2 if we add only 1, if we add only if we only add 1 to the denominator, then what is a fraction? We need to find the fraction. So we know what is the general form of fraction. So the general form of fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. So the first condition, what is the first condition? If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so the fraction reduces to 1. So what we'll do according to this question. If we add 1 to the numerator, so here x plus 1 by, if we subtract 1 from the denominator, so y minus 1, then the fraction reduces to 1. So therefore the fraction become 1. This is the first condition. Understood? Now simplify this. If we simplify, so cross multiply and no need to take the LCM here. So here x plus 1. Why? Because why we not to take the LCM? Because is equal to is there. Okay, so which is equals to, here 1 into the same thing you'll get, so y minus 1, and bring this side, so x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Call this as equation 1. Okay, now see the next. What the next condition? So next condition is it become 1 by 2. What? The fraction become 1 by 2 when? If we add 1 to the denominator, only 1 to the denominator. So this is numerator. So it is numerator and this is denominator. If we add 1 to the denominator, the fraction become 1 by 2. X by y. If we add 1 to the denominator, if we add 1 to the denominator, it is x plus y plus 1. So then the fraction become 1 by 2. So now cross multiply. So 2x which is equals to y plus 1. So then 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Call this as equation 2. Okay, now simplify this further. So how to simplify? So here convert this to the standard form of quadratic equation, sorry, pair of linear equation, that is x minus y is equals to minus 2, and here also 2x minus y is equals to plus 1. Now see here, first decide which term we need to eliminate, either 1 or 2. So what I'll do, I will eliminate, sorry, which term, that is x or y. So I'll eliminate here y. Why? Because so already you may see here, no need to multiply anything. Already here also 1y is there, here also 1y is there. Already that numbers are same, so no need to multiply. So only thing we need to do is we need to change the symbols. So I'll change the symbols. It is easy for me to simplify. Okay, so what I'll do, so a minus and a plus and a minus and a minus. Okay, so then what happened? So here plus 1x, here minus y plus y get cancelled. So here plus 1x minus 2x, so I'll get here minus x, which is equals to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So then our x value is 3. Why? Because here minus and minus get cancelled, so my x value is 3. So my x value is 3. Now substitute this x value in equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll substitute x in equation 2 or 1. So I'll substitute in the 1. So always you choose for the simple equation. So then your answer become your simplification become easy. Okay, even if you substitute the x is equal to 3 in equation 2, there also will get the same answer, but choose for the simplest equation. So then here x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So here x is 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So then 3 plus 2 minus y is equal to 0. Just I change the position, 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 is equals 5 minus y is equal to 0. So then here y is equal to transpose to right hand side. So then 5 which is equals to y. So therefore my y value is equals to 5. So my y value is which is equals to 5. So here x is equal to 3 and y is equals to 5. So therefore the fraction is 3/5. Okay, I hope all of you understood this. Okay, this type of problems are all important. I hope all of you understood this problem, so all of you copy this in your classwork. Okay, next we'll move to the next problem. So next problem is this. So 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So how old are Nuri and Sonu is? Okay, what we can do, so we can take that ages of the Nuri and Sonu as x and y. So now we can take here, let the present age of Nuri be x. Let the present age of Noori be x. Let the present age of Noori be x, and also the present age of Sonu be y. Let the present age of Sonu be y. Okay. So now here 5 years ago. So five years ago. 5 years ago, Noori's age. Noori age is x minus 5, isn't? And similarly, Sonu age. Sonu age. Sonu age is y minus 5. And one more condition they gave. See the question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So therefore, x minus 5, which is equals to thrice, in the sense 3 times. 3 times as Sonu. Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. So who is elder here? Noori. So Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. That is y minus 5. Why? Because what the condition they give 5 years ago, not now. 5 years ago. Now that now it is 2020. So 5 years ago in the sense in the 2015. The 2015, if we compare the Noori age and Sonu age, so Noori is thrice as old as Sonu. But what is the age? We don't know. We need to find that. So here x minus 5 is equals to this. Now simplify this. So here x minus 5, which is equals to 3 into y, 3y minus 3 into 5, 15. Simplify this. So x minus 3y, which is equals to minus 15 plus 5. So then x minus 3y, which is equals to minus 15 plus 5 is minus 15 plus 5. So it is minus 10. Call this as equation 1. Call this as equation 1. Okay. So next, one more 10 years later. 10 years later in the sense after 10 years. 10 years later mean after 10 years. So Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. The same thing we do, but we need to find 10 years later. So 10 years later. 10 years later. 10 years later. So Noori age. Noori age, which is equals to x plus 10. Why? Because our age is increased, right? And Sonu age also increased. So Sonu age, which is equals to y plus 10, isn't y plus 10. So one more condition they gave. Noori 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. So twice as old as Sonu, Noori. So that is x plus 10, which is equals to twice as old as Sonu, y plus 10. That's it. Now simplify here. So x plus 10, which is equals to 2y, plus 20. So then x minus 2y, which is equals to 20 minus 10. So here x minus 2y, which is equals to 20 minus 10 is 10. So call this as equation 2. Is it clear? Now simplify equation 1 and 2. So we'll get the age of Sonu and Noori. So first equation is, just a minute. So here x minus 3y is equal to 10, and x minus 2y is equal to 10. So here also no need to, actually today we not cross multiplied only, right? So no need to cross multiply, because here only already here x same variable with the same coefficient we have. So x 1x 1x, so only thing we need to change the sign. So you take the minus here, and here minus is there already, so take the plus, and here plus is there, so take it as minus. So then x and x get cancelled, so here 1y, so 1 what is that, minus 3y plus 2y. So minus 3 plus y is minus y, or minus 1y. Minus 1y is equals to minus 10 minus 10, it is minus 20. So minus and minus get cancelled, so therefore y is equals to 20. So y is equals to 20. So therefore Noori age is 20. Now substitute y is equal to 20 in equation 1 or equation 2. So I'll substitute in the equation 1, minus 3y is equals to minus 10. So then y is equal to 20, right? So x minus 3 into 20, which is equals to minus 10. So therefore x minus 60, which is equals to minus 10. So then x is equals to minus 10 plus 60. So then x is equals to minus 10 plus 60 is 50. So therefore Noori age is 50 years. Sonu age is, what is it? So Noori age 50 years. That is x, right? Our age is x. It is 50 years. And Sonu age 20 years. So 5 generation gap. Okay, I hope all of you understood these problems. Okay, so all of you copy this in your classworks. Okay, and also don't forget to write mention today's date and day. Okay. Okay, now try to solve this in the homework book. So this is the homework problems, so try to solve this in the homework. Okay, so and also get ready for your test. Okay, do one thing, so don't want homework, so get ready for your test and only copy that problems in your classworks. Okay. Okay, then we'll see the remaining thing in the next class, and all the best for your exams, tests. So do well and don't copy. Okay, we'll see the remaining thing in the next class. Thank you, have a nice day, bye.